I'm Thomas Rice at Born and Fire Knife and Tool. Today just a quick review of one of our Viking series. This is the Seigen. Notably different from the Loki because this one has a clipped buoy nose. This is set primarily at a 30-degree angle. The primary edges are set at 20. You've got a full integral guard, blade catch, jimping. These finger reliefs are set up and they're custom fit to the individual's hands. As everyone who knows me knows, I have the customer send me a photograph of their hand palm up with a ruler across it. You're looking at differentially tempered, 1/4 inch thick, hot rolled 1095. If you've never used a differentially tempered blade before, you're in for a treat because they offer a level of performance seldom found. Yes, you do have a full strike point here that has been jeweled. If I can get this to